starting off, you were in the dirt.
I was in the dirt.
Yeah.
I was doing all the plantings and the laying stuff out, and you know, it's one of those things you have to build relationships with the nurseries. Which nursery is going to give you a discount? Some nurseries said you have to spend a certain amount of money before we're going to give you a discount.
Yeah.
Others said we'll give you the discount on what you're projecting you're going to do. So you just have to try to work it out that way, but you got to build relationships with the nurseries to get good jobs.
Yep.
You're only as good as your plant material.
Means you're also paying them on time, and all of that goes into like any relationship. That trust is so important.
And even now, doesn't matter what is going on in your business, if you don't pay your people, somebody else will.
Yeah.
Because that's the biggest thing is employees, because they're not easy to get, and when you get good ones, you keep them forever.
Yeah. What's the longest employee you've had?
I got one guy that's been 19 years.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So, and you don't do anything for that matter for 30 years without being good.
Yeah.
You know, you've been doing lighting a long time, and there's hundreds of lighting companies, and there's not a lot of good ones.
Yeah.
You know, their fixtures are not straight. I know that's a pet peeve of yours. Every fixture's got to be perfectly straight. You know, they use cheap wire, so the further the distance away from the transformer, the dimmer the lights.
Yep.
That doesn't happen with yours.
Yep. They don't bury it.
They don't bury it. You know, they put the wire right underneath, going across the edge where us landscapers are going to be edging it, and it's going to cut it every time.
Yep.
So that's just a pain for the customer.
Yep.
So you think about all that stuff, and that's why you're as successful as you are.
Yeah.